At Nightside, our mission is to create thoughtfully designed products for bedtime. The Nightside lamp is a great embodiment of what we're trying to do. I'm more of a night owl than my wife, and I like to read in bed. So I wanted to create something that was low light around the bedside table, but also gave me enough light to be able to read. I had a background in design, but I had never made anything for mass production. I started just working on creating a rough proof of concept, and once that worked, moving on to using CAD software and starting to design in CAD. But I didn't want to buy a 3D printer. It seemed like the technology was moving too rapidly for it to make sense, and so I started looking online, and that was how I found Fictiv. I viewed Fictiv as a partner from the beginning. It wasn't until I was like a ways in 3D printing with Fictiv that I realized that they could also do production level manufacturing. That was exciting. I knew that we were only going to succeed if the quality was very high, and I'd already had that experience through Fictiv, through the 3D printing that I was doing. I was pretty inexperienced with design for manufacturing. I could not have gotten my design to where it is without their level of experience and expertise. I found the workflow to be very natural. There were a lot of considerations around how to design for injection molding, and working with the Fictiv team, we were able to identify and resolve all of them very quickly. They were able to start injection molding parts within a matter of weeks, and then it was just a couple weeks later that I was getting samples of those parts. The tooling capabilities that Fictiv has in China are amazing. I remember opening the first box of production parts and looking for defects, not finding any. For us, the bill of materials for every lamp is like 40 parts. Every part from the aluminum backbone of the lamp to the injection molded pieces. I mean, we were just able to get these parts like absolutely perfect down to fractions of a millimeter. It seemed like basically Fictiv could handle any material that we had to throw at them. I've recommended Fictiv to any of my friends who are interested in making anything. I'm looking forward to working on the next product and working with Fictiv on taking that through the prototyping and production process.